Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. This is Bett&win. Have you subscribed? In case you never subscribe, you can also hit that red subscribe button and turn on notification bell so I don't miss my new tricks anytime I post. Welcome back again to my channel. I bring to you this new game here. I know most of you will know it, most of you will not know it, but we'll not focus on one site. So I have to try many strategies, many things, so we'll know where we'll get. So if you didn't get good results here, you can get good results for the other side, or even if you get from both of them, is something. So this is Lotto 6 Japan lottery games. So this is like Lotto we play here in Nigeria. This is like Lotto numbers we play, but this is a Japan, from Japan, but you can play it online. This is a Japan lottery ticket games. This is just like Lotto from Japan, so you can play it anywhere in the world, but you can play it online. But if you are in Japan, you can play it in stores anywhere. You can also play it online there too. Guess maybe your work, you cannot go out, so you can just book your anytime. But this particular game plays from only Monday and Thursday, just 2 times in a week, Monday and Thursday. You can see the previous games, see the ones they play Monday and Thursdays. You can see their results in Naira. So you can play it anywhere in South Africa, Ghana, wherever you are in the world, Dubai, America, anywhere. You can play it online. Once you sign up, register with this site, you can book your game online. Once you get the correct number they need for this jackpot, you want yourself a very big, large money. As you can see it here, this all you need is 6 numbers. 6 numbers. That's all you need. 6 numbers. Once you get it correctly, you are good to go. So the next jackpot, which will take place on Thursday, which is tomorrow. So they have played Monday on. The last game is, see the last game on Monday, you can see it. So this is the next game now on Thursday, which is tomorrow. So what you do, for you to get this 6 number correctly, before you play it, you can see the time is counting for tomorrow. So all you need is to get the number correctly, the 6 number they need. That's what you. Sometimes, this is mathematics. This is mathematics. So sometimes you pick some number from the previous game, but this is mathematics. I'm not going to drop the teaching here. I'm just showing you the games, the new games I brought you guys. This is Lotto 6 Japan lottery. Lotto 6 Japan lottery. So I know some of you will know it, some of you will not know it. But this is another new game you can play online. So you need a professional that will study this well for you. So in case you're interested on it, you can contact me on WhatsApp on 070-3676-0527. Our WhatsApp number is 070-3676-0527. But if you're interested on this and you are not ready, please don't chat me. But if you want it, you will need the tricks for this. You can chat me on WhatsApp. This is not for free. It's not for free. I repeat, this is not for free. Alright, this is Bett&win. Wait for the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice sleep. Thank you for watching. This is Bett&win. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video.